Okay, Hana nak pilih color apa? Kereta color apa?
The biru.
Okay, the blue. This one.
Biru. Atas.
Oh,
Bukan tu.
this one. Okay. Okay, teacher will show you the sentence. Then, kalau Hana boleh read fluently, cikgu gerakkan 2 petak. Okay, kalau cikgu bantu, 1 petak saja. Okay, are you ready? Ready?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, read this.
Mom, look.
Okay, very good. Okay, 2 boxes. Okay, next. Continue read.
I can see a farm.
Okay, very good. Okay, another 2 boxes. Okay, next. Continue read. Can you?
Can we stop at the farm, Mom?
Okay, very good. Another 2 boxes. Okay, next. Continue.
Will it
Well, okay, well.
Well, it
I
I see not harm stopping
at
at the farm.
okay, dengan cikgu baca Well, I see no harm stopping at the farm.
Well, I see not harm stopping
No.
harm stopping at the farm.
Okay, very good. Okay. Berat 1 kotak saja. Okay. Okay, continue.
It is not that far.
Okay, very good. Okay, nearest to finish. Okay. Next. Yeah.
Here we are, Mark.
Okay, good job. Okay, finish. Okay,